Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is rain on someone's parade. The phrase rain on someone's parade means to ruin someone's happiness, excitement, or plans by saying or doing something negative. It is used when someone is excited about something, but another person does or says something to take away their joy. So here in this sentence, parade is a fun celebration and rain can ruin it. If you rain on someone's parade, you spoil their excitement or bring bad news that takes away their happiness. So it is commonly used when people are sharing good news or looking forward to something exciting and fun. Example sentences here. I was so happy about my promotion, but my friend rained on my parade by saying the job will be stressful. She was excited about her vacation, but her boss rained on her parade by making her work overtime. I don't want to rain on your parade, but the concert might be canceled because of bad weather. So you will definitely hear this in conversations. The more you speak English and the more you listen to English. So give it a try. Try to use it in a sentence in the comments. You can do that in the comments. Or just try it in everyday conversation. Please join us, like and subscribe. We love your company, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.